Ibadi Moshe. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you for your presence, and I'm deeply honored for gracing this occasion, especially considering other important things that need your attention. This state and this city are very special. Both are special because we all grew up learning that River Osun is venerated for answering prayers, for giving children and positively changing lives for the better. Today also marks the day on which I was born many months ago. More importantly, today is the date that I promise Osun citizens that our seemingly barren state will have wealthy and healthy babies. From the tributaries of Osun River, let wealth flow across our state, from Ikirun Hills and Ikoyi Mountain to Erin Waterfall, or from any height, we will bring prosperity down to our state. When I started my education in 1968 at the Seventh-day Adventist Primary School in Ile-Ife, my mother used to say to me, words like eggs, once they drop, they can't be taken back. It is with that in mind that I stand here and make my commitment to Osunians. It wasn't until I became a father that I realized my sweet mother was teaching me the values of Omoluabi. As a father of 4 children, I have passed on the same values to my children. So, as Omoti Oluiwabi, in my thoughts and deeds, I solemnly promise you of Atushe Osun for a future in which our youth are prepared for the 21st century, and our elders elderly enjoy their old age while workers' sacrifice is rewarded with timely payment of salaries and pensioners receive their entitlements. From my days in Seventh-day Adventist Primary School Ile-Ife to my secondary school at Methodist High School Ilesha in the 70s, I saw how Osun people are hard workers. Our young women do not wait for a man to fix their problems. Our hardworking civil servants are not petty traders, but committed and dedicated people. Between ourselves and 2 daughters in Imo-Ilesha, Iyabiodun Eleko finances our 4 children's secondary education with the sales of Eko and Moi. Our youth are amongst the most intelligent in the country, and despite all odds, they still contribute to their communities. Our higher institution students, like Kazim Adeoye. Is Kazim Adeoye present in this hall? Please wave, let them see you. Our higher institution students, like Kazim Adeoye, who is present with us in this hall, organize vacation coaching lessons for secondary school students. Our people understand the ethos of Ishe Lobu Ishe and extend it to Agbajowo Lafin Soya. We are the most involved character as Omoluabis. Under the watchful eyes and circling wisdom of our elders, this was how I was brought up, and will always remain. In fact, Osun thrives because our entrepreneurial spirit is mixed with strong sense of stewardship. It is this spirit that motivated me to lead a foundation that provides free health diagnosis and medications to communities across Osun State. Through my foundation, many have also benefited from our microfinance initiative. The educational knowledge, values, and work ethic learned in my family and from Seventh-day Adventist School Ilesha, through Methodist High School Ilesha, to University of Ife, have made me into an accomplished architect whose expertise is valued internationally and put to use by other governments in Lagos and Oyo State. I owe a lot, and it is time that I pay back. And pay back I will, in good measure, pressed down, shaking together, and running over. Therefore, I am motivated by necessity, not only to give back, but also for our dear state to be an enviable point of reference of honest and effective governance. My vision is that of Osun State that is capable of creating wealth for its people in good health. My goal is to ensure that Osun can fulfill all its obligations towards its people through a capable workforce for industrialization. To achieve this goal, I will work assiduously on an Atunse rebuilding agenda of economic development and human capital investment. My focus will be how to maximize the human and natural resources for Osun State to prosper. We must give our youth the necessary tools to function in the 21st century and in any capacity that Nigeria and the world demands of them. Together, it is imperative that our state is industrialized so that more jobs are available and we can raise the living standards of our elders. Our elders must retire into wealth as well as comfort, and our entrepreneurial women and men can prosper. Our farmers will have reason to remember the good old days for pride in their labor, as our agriculture sector will feed our people and industries. Every Omoluabi who has memories of the beginning of the First Republic appreciates that it was better than this. Our wealth stay in our state. Our human capital were never confused with symbols of development and debt. However, however troubled our current situation, there is Atunse because our situation is man-made and there are man-made solutions. To that end, I put myself forth to serve you as Governor of Osun State. Fellow Omoluabi, iṣẹ́ wà fún ilẹ̀ wa, as we collectively set out for Atunse, a process in which we will together change the old ways for Osun State to be reborn. There is no shortcut to putting man at the center of development. There is no shortcut to inclusive governance. There is hope that we can collectively transform our state. There is hope that the Omoluabi value of Ishelobushe will bring dignity to our labor in good health in Lila Loro. With courage and determination, we will rebuild our state. From Odo in the north to Ife North in the south, our people will be healthy. From Ayedire in the west to Oriade in the east, economic development is assured for our beloved state. Atunse is possible and feasible. If you give me the authority, the opportunity to serve, with you having the power, the might to lead, our collective reward will be Kashishe Kajola. Together, we create the wealth. Together, we will prosper. Iṣẹ́ wà fún wa, iṣẹ́ wa kò ní díṣẹ́. May God continue to bless you. God bless Osun State and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.